money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly, I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my G.
Alright, today we'll do an unboxing again. Let's check this one out. Straight from Japan. Looks like they used some kind of band-aid tape. Or some kind of tape, strange tape. Let's get her open. Check her out. Well packaged. Okay. It's pretty cool. They gave me a free little microfiber cloth, which is great. I love those for cleaning watches and getting smudges off things. Here's the outer box. GWF-1035F-1JR, module number 3184, Japan release. Right. Move this out the way. Let's open it up. Okay, here she is. Standard 35th edition box. The glossy emblem. Casio. Okay. Let's open this up. In this box here, you have the manual, 3184 module, Japan instructions. Throw that back in there, move this out the way. All right. These are the 2018, I believe they released these boxes for the 35th anniversary series. Gold, nice little gold inlay here on the top. 35th anniversary. Feels nice. It's not leather per se, but it's a nice little design. Move this out the way. Don't be needing that anymore. Okay. 35th logo on the top there. Here's the watch and a nice little pillow. Okay, move that to the side. Alright, for the next step, I'm gonna need some gloves. And there we have it. I've never been really picky about stains or fingerprints, but this one here is very sensitive to fingerprints, so I wanted to show you guys without getting it dirty or anything. Here's the tag, GWF-1035F-1JR, 80,000 yen, which is about roughly $758 or so. Excuse me. Plus, I think it's a consumption tax or some kind of tax they give you, which is about 8% of that. Roughly comes out to about $800 shipped to the US. There's all the functions available in this model. Okay, so let's take a look at the watch. This is the Magma series, Frogman 35th anniversary. Very beautiful black and red accents. Black and some also has some rose gold accents. We'll take a look at that shortly. Okay, let's start there. Protection. It's got like it's a white print there. It looks kind of blue, but it's actually white. A gold Frogman logo there. Shock resist. It's got this rose gold buttons here. Very beautiful, very pretty. Okay, so let's look at more details close up. All right, here you have it. It's got this beautiful gold display there. As you can see, it's got one frog right on the seconds marker there. It's difficult to see, but it's in there. Moon phase, tide phase function right on the top. Day, date, and time. Power save in the bottom left there. Low, medium, high charge battery indicator. Mode adjust, start and stopwatch. On the right there you have one frog. It's a mechanical frog with the multiband 6 antenna in his mouth. On the other button you have the frog again with the scuba gear, air tank on its back, and some bubbles. On this button here you have again the mechanical frog with the antenna in its mouth. I hope you catch, it's kind of difficult to see, but hopefully you guys see that. On the other one you have again the scuba frog right there. Right, here's the back plate. 35th anniversary logo with a few frogs around printed on the back here. See if you try to take a look at those. There's one of them. There's another one. And it looks like they use the same design around this one. There's 6 of them all together on the back plate. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Let's look at the band. On the bottom of the band you have another frog right there. Beautiful gold print. This frog has a lot of subtle hints of anniversary series. Let me show you those. Here's the 25th anniversary buckle. It's got 7 more frogs there. On the back plate, on the back of the buckle of the strap keeper, it's got another 4. Right there. Very subtle but very beautiful. Okay. Also, let me show you the look at how beautiful that looks, that rose gold. Very beautiful. The Magma edition. The gold and the red and the black match and mix very well. Alright, so let's check out the back light on this baby, if possible. If you catch it. There you have it. The mechanical frog in the background, backlight, with the antenna in its mouth. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay. Alright, so little history on this frog. This is the 35th anniversary, but they're actually celebrating the 25th anniversary of the 1000 series, or the frog in general, which is a good celebration on their end. Altogether, it's got 25 of these frogs, not hidden, but placed strategically around the watch. We could count them. We can try to count them. 2, 3, 4. There's 6 around the back here. Total of 10. 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 with that one. Missing 2. Backlight 24, I suppose. I missed one along the way, but there's 25, trust me. Alright, this one has log mode, tide, world time, alarm, stopwatch, timer, and of course if you hold the button here, it gives you your dive option. So a lot of good functions on this model. And let me actually compare it to the DW or GWF-1000 series and show you guys a comparison in size. Okay, here we go. Here's the 1035 model, GWF-1035 module 3184, which is the same module as the GWF-1000 series. This is the gold series model one. You guys can see practically the same, pretty much the same size, which is about 50 by 50 millimeters. Actually 52 by 50. 52 by 50 millimeters in size. Here's the 8250 series. This is the 8235, 8230, excuse me. So once again, 52 by 50, same size. All right, and here's the old GW200 series. Also 52 by 50. I thought this one was smaller, but it's actually in reality the same size. I think it's smaller, but they're claiming, and in the research I did, they're claiming these two to be the same size, but I doubt that very much. You can tell on the case itself that it looks smaller. But yeah, that's a 200 series, 1000 series, and 8250 series side-by-side comparison. All right, hopefully you guys like this review. It's a beautiful watch. Like I said, it's the Magma edition, 35th anniversary. Very beautiful details. And there you have it. All right, like I said, I was going to be coming back with more reviews. Here's the second one in just a week. Going to try to ramp it up, try to get more reviews out there and posted. Show you guys some of these beautiful timepieces. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think. If you like these watches, if you want to see anything in particular, any changes to the channel, will be any criticism, any constructive criticism will be appreciated. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.
Money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Super Shock. I'm rocking my